What happens when you come home from a big RV trip and real life at the ranch takes over? In today's episode, we're tackling repairs, chasing down moldy diamond shield, and yes, there's even a surprise horseback ride with the Cowboy Church of Brenham. From cracked countertops to community trail rides and a little horseman clinic action, life at the ranch is never dull. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wild Horses Adventures. Let's jump into a day that seems to have a little bit of everything. Okay, time to leave the house or you head up to the ranch. It's a gorgeous day. Of course, we run into the usual construction in the middle of Magnolia. If you live here, you know. Beautiful scenery out in Waller County, Austin County, and we're at the ranch. As soon as we got there, we decided to take Enzo for a hike. He's sniffing. He's trying to pick up a scent. He loves running off leash. This is the only place he gets to run like that. It's the sand. Yuck. Whew. Are we having fun yet? I hate walking in the sand. There's Triton. Yeah. What do you think, little boy, huh? Hi, sweetie. Hi. This is not your hair on here. Yeah. I see. And we have bacon. Yeah, I know. That's what happened when I tried to get in there. Everything's falling out. Potato dots. The best. Yeah, that's plenty for two people. We got a pound of grass-fed, grass-finished hamburger. Mike mixed it up with a whole bunch of spices, probably garlic and onion. And we have some cheese sauce from the other night when he made pasta. That was really, really good. We're going to use the rest of that on the hamburgers that he's cooking right now. Meanwhile, I'm going to take all of this and put it in a meal prep container so we can use it later on. We're just going to stick this in the fridge. Call it a day. There we go. I'll stick them right here. Sounds like a good spot. The tater tots are in the oven. Chef Mike is grilling bacon. There it is. Cool. And the patties. Cook them in a little bacon grease. Yum, yum.
Gotta come up with a better way to do it.
Yeah, make it a little.
Gotta get level.
Oh, get level. Okay, yeah.
I had 90 places to put stuff. He's just, no matter what I do.
Yeah, I see.
I need some rags from here and clean it. I can't leave it like that tonight.
Yeah.
There's all the animals out here.
Yeah. We do know there's animals out here too. Yeah, he smells bacon. Look at him. Tail wagging. You think that's yours? I don't think so. Okay, and they're still cooking. A little warmer.
Well, that's going to be good.
Yeah. You okay? Oh, you okay, little man? Oh, you pretty baby. Am I you beautiful little boy? Steaming now. Just the towel's getting into the goo. Thank you.
I'm sure you're smelling it.
Of course he's smelling it. Smells the bacon. Yeah, that looks amazing. Alright, let's put it on. Okay.
Okay. You want me to cut that in half?
No. No, this is good. Mmm. Oh wow. That is good.
Oh,
and the sauce is amazing. Yep, it's getting low in the sky. And getting ready to sunset. Everything's all cleaned up. Packed up for the evening. The sun is set. Lucy is still eating her food. Slowly but surely. But if she eats it in one big gulp, she throws it all up. So we'd rather have her eat in little bits. Patches is looking for more food. Now you eat all your food. And so I yelled at, and she ran after another dog. Sun has set. The Magna shade's on, so we don't really get the great view. I usually put this back in the microwave. Good place to hide it. Nobody else can get at it. That's that. And it's bedtime in our happy place. All right, it's kind of a gray looking day. Mike's gonna take Enzo for a walk. There he is, way up there. There are stickers everywhere. Yeah, it's pretty awful. There's lots of people here today. It's a big ride. My friend Bernie's putting it on. And Ruth's coming in. I'm gonna ride one of Ruth's horses. So that should be fun. I have my saddle and stuff in the back. I'm just gonna drive the truck down to where she's bringing her truck and trailer. It's at the other end of the ranch. And I'll saddle her horse up with my saddle. Yeah, that must have been a short walk. Here he comes back. I've saddled Gigi up, but she doesn't want to take a picture. There's tons of riders everywhere. They start their trails with a prayer.
I think you can all recognize the small children, 2 or 3 years old.
We all stopped dead on the trail, so it's a good time to pull out the camera.
This is the only second trail ride we've ever been on. Right.
Yeah, something's going on up there. We're all stopped. And we got lots of people behind us. There's something's going on up there. There are about 50 people on this trail ride, so the horses are all excited. When we got back, I worked on fixing the cracked countertop. We were driving down Mill Creek Road, which is a dirt road. We hit a nasty bump and the countertop covering the stove slid off, fell on the floor, taking a chip off and breaking the edge off. So now I'm trying to fix it. can see it cracked here. Cracked right off there. And this is starting to fall apart here. Meanwhile, it's really, really windy out here. Yeah, air's going everywhere. All the stuff's going flying. Yeah. Hopefully this will work. Right, Desi? Hey, Desi, Lapbug? Run away. You're gonna run away. Really? I don't think you'd like it outside. It's too windy. Your fur would go all over the place. See, this is what fell. It slid right off. And there's these little divots here. I'm thinking maybe I can glue something on the other piece. And it will stop it. When we bought the rig, it was used. And I don't know what happened to these things. Obviously there was something here. And now it's gone. And yeah, this is what we used. There we go. Works really, really well. I glued this together. You can't even see where it broke off. This cracked along here, and if you look really, really close, you can see there's still a little crack there. I don't know what to do about that. I don't know. I may fill it in with something that's similar in color because I can't get it close enough together unless I have a clamp, and I don't have a clamp here. So I'm not really sure what to do about that. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I think unless I point it out, you may not even notice it. We took Enzo for a foggy early morning hike. All misty looking. It was really humid. The sun is trying to burn through the clouds. Enzo is playing with the owner's dog. She can really outrun him. And she's faster than you are. This is interesting. I'm filming this clinic. There we go. Yep. Filming this whole thing. And the wind's picking up. So this could be a problem. This GoPro's getting really, really hot. I think it's the battery that's bad in it. This is super, super hot. Oh, it's not too bad. We're doing side passing right now. Yeah. I decided to saddle up Triton and video on horseback. That was challenging. Fortunately, Triton's buddy's right next to him, so he was a pretty good boy. Part of the lesson was closing gates and learning how to side pass with your horse. No easy trick, though Triton actually does it really well. This is how you close a gate. Look at how he side passes with his back feet. A nice size pass. We spent the rest of the afternoon scraping the diamond shield off. That stupid diamond shield comes off and all the mold behind it.
Here's Blake.
Right. And here's the little spot I did. Right here.
In the door.
Yeah, well, you did the door.
Well, it's definitely doable.
Yeah, it's definitely doable. A diamond shield all around the door. It's all around here. And now it's all gone. It's starting to look really nice again. This is going to take a little bit of work. The sun is now starting to set. Yeah, we need to pack up and go home. But yeah, there's hope. Maybe a small spot right now, but it'll keep looking better and better. Until it finally looks like this side. This has no diamond shield on it. Yay. That's the hope. After all that, it was time to head home. Damn. And the slide wouldn't come in. We didn't bring this up.
Fine. Here's one thing. Did I tell you bring in the slide?
Alright. The passenger slide retract. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Looks like it's in. Hey, Boone. Lock her up for the evening. And get her home for the week. This is the first day that daylight savings time has ended. And so everything's turning dark earlier. Let's see. Oh,
There you go.
oh, okay.
Well done. It looks like you only wait for me to do the last two.
Yeah.
Yeah, 12 out of 12. All right.
Cool. All right. What a weekend. Between repairing the correct countertop, dealing with that never-ending diamond shield, filming a horseman's clinic, and joining the Cowboy Church group ride, the branch kept us busy, but in the best way. And speaking of adventures, we're putting together a last-minute trip to Brazos Bend State Park, the same place we visited over 5 years ago when we were still RVing with our horse trailer. Hard to believe that was one of the very first videos on this channel. And now we're celebrating 500 subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you all so much for being here. We'll see you in the next one. Brazos Bend, here we come. So come join us on our adventure. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see what we're up to next. Ring that notification bell to tune in to our next video, usually out every Saturday morning. Please leave a comment too. We would love to hear from you guys. Have a good one.